everyone. This is Aisha Firdos and you're watching Teacher's World. Before I could proceed further, I want you all to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Welcome you all and wish you all a happy Republic Day from my side. The message I want to give on this Republic Day is that before I give the message, I want you all, it's just like people who celebrate marriage anniversaries for one particular day and forget to live a healthy relationship for the whole year. They don't even know why is that relation existing or not. Still, they celebrate the event with such extravagance. They spend a lot, call all the relatives and showcase as if they are very happily married. Now, I'm not speaking out of context, that is what exactly happens in schools also. Like we celebrate an event for just a day, putting up lots of decorations and competitions and making it the most expensive ones. But then we fail to inculcate the true essence of being a patriotic citizen of India. We fail to create that patriotism in our students, may it be middle school or high school. We are just fulfilling the formalities. Now you may ask me how to create that. Yeah, there are many ways in which you can do that. First and foremost, before such events, before 2 to 3 months of such events, set up a theme for your school. Set up the theme as patriotism in your schools. Fine. So now it is Jan, so you must have done that in November itself. And similarly for 15th August, you can start it from June. Set it up as a theme. I definitely believe that you will be having a house system in your school wherein the students and teachers are divided into houses. So allot one responsibility for each house. High school, there are n number of activities. Involve them in debates. Let them research on the struggle of freedom, or maybe the drafting of constitution. What are the laws included? Let them do a research on it. Come up with nice PPT presentations, seminars, role plays, simulations. You can do all these being in school prior to 2-3 months, so that students involve and they perform, and finally you can take it up as like they can perform on stage on 26th, and you have carried that essence over a period of 3 to 4 months. Just imagine, like we are missing out on this. See, if you have taken up the responsibility of running a school, or if you are a teacher, that means we promise to ourselves that we will be trying to eradicate the sins and the evils of the society. But is that happening? Like we have the crime rate, as you all know, nothing is hidden from anyone. The crime rates are increasing. People are really struggling in India. Then what are we doing? What are we doing as Indians? What are students doing as Indians? As being an Indian, are we inculcating the service orientation in our students? Okay, are our students teaching the under marginalized students? Set up some campaigns, give them some projects wherein they can go and serve the people around. Okay, then that makes real sense of celebrating such occasions. Make them contributors. Let them believe in contributions, not that they are going to secure highest what you can say degrees here, and they are going to leave India because they don't like India. They don't want to be change makers. No, this is not the way we are going to work. So on this day, at least today, we all will rise to a cause as teachers and educators, and see that the students who are coming out of our schooling, our schools, and the students who are pass outs, they will surely enlighten the societies. They will surely work for the benefit of India. If we wish to see India as a global, what you can say, the most developed country in the entire global scenario, then we need to raise for the cause. It is very aptly mentioned in the poem, where mind is without fear. I request the teachers to read this poem, understand it, assimilate it in yourself, and see that it comes into practice. Very beautifully, Rabindranath Tagore has said that where mind is without fear, don't you think we are living with a fear within us? A fear to share our ideas, a fear of dominance, a fear of racism, many fears, where our minds and hearts are without fear, and where we can raise our head high into that land of freedom. Oh my Father, let my country awake. If you read the poem, it is just like it gives goosebumps. We are not mere puppets in others' hands. We have to raise for a cause. Every student has to realize, every Indian has to realize the rights, the fundamental rights, the duties, what it takes to be an Indian. And then, and if we celebrate that occasion with that fervor and that particular day, it will be justified. It will be justified. And carry the incense throughout your life, throughout as a student, as a teacher. Okay, then it is really justified. And having said this, I want you all to really bring that fervor in your students, and wishing you all the best and happy Republic Day. um, Definitely, I love India. I am proud to be an Indian. Signing off, Aisha Firdaus.